Hi, this is Susan with Profit Finder Pro Software, and I'm going to show you today how to set up your Google and sync it to your Profit Pro calendar. First of all, go to your browser and type in google.com, and then right here in the right hand corner you'll see this red button that says sign in. Click that. If you do not have a Gmail account yet, let's create one. I actually recommend just creating one just specifically for this calendar. Okay, so I'm going to sign up. I'm going to start from new, and I'll put in, since I already have one, I'm going to create just a different name for this. Okay, so I have my Profit Pro CRM, and then in here I'll create a Gmail account specifically for my calendar. Profit Pro CRM at gmail.com, and put my password in here. And okay, and then I'll put my birth date. I'll just put a day. And I'm female. You can put a phone number in here if you want text messages from them. And I would recommend that. I'm not going to do that since this is a fake account, or not, a fake account just for this demo purpose. And then I'm going to put info at profitfinderpro.com. Prove I'm not a robot. Skip this verification. I'm just going to skip it. I have to verify later anyhow with my phone, so I agree to the Google terms. Go ahead and read that if you haven't read that before. And then on to the next step. So now I'm almost done. I have to verify my account. I'm going to give my work number here, and I'm going to ask for a voice call. You can ask for a text message to your cell phone if you're setting this up by cell phone. But all I do is hit this, my phone will ring, and I have a little code here.
Thank you for using our phone verification system. Your code is 798379.
Okay, so I got that code, and now I can set up. I don't feel like doing that profile, and you can add your profile if you're going to use this for Google Plus and for the other things in your Google account, but for right now I'm just going to focus on setting up the calendar. So now I have my profile here, and I'm going to click on just get started. I'll go to my calendar, set that up, click on that, and then this little box will pop up here. Set your time zone. I think it defaults to whatever time zone you're in, but anyhow, just check it out here. Okay, I'm in Arizona, and I do want to get reminded about events. I want a daily email. I want emails 30 minutes before my appointments. I want to pop up just a message on my phone 30 minutes before events. And I also want a text message. This is a text message. So what I'm going to do is enter my mobile phone number, and I'm going to ask it to send me a code. So now here within just a GIF I'll have the code. Okay, and I got my little beep here, and 222920, and I want to confirm the code here. Okay, so now I can set this 10 minutes, so many hours, whatever I want before each appointment. And then just click the button that says sync with your mobile. From here you click on either iPhone or Android depending on what kind of a device you have, and it will show you how to sync this then to your phone, which you'll need. But for now I'm going to go here and click start using Google Calendar. As you can see over here you just have my calendars, and there aren't any other calendars at this moment, but I want my Profit Finder Pro calendar to come here. Oops, let's get rid of that. So now leaving this open, I'm going to go and log into my Profit Finder Pro. So I'm here at my login page. My Google is still open, and I'm here, and I'm going to go to my calendar, and I'll see, let me see, I go down here. Click on your calendar. If you're a single user, just your calendar will show up. And then see this button up here, it says log into Google. Click that, And if you're not logged into Google, you'll have to enter in your login information that you had just created. So write down that password and all of that. Okay, I want to grant access to Profit Finder Pro, grant them access to sync through to the Google Calendar. Okay, so now you'll see here that you have the option of logging out, syncing. Don't log out unless you're, just leave this, so that you're always synced through to Google. Just leave this here. I'm going to click Sync Now. And then Google, I think it takes, I'm not sure, but I think it takes a couple minutes, or it syncs every couple minutes or something like that. But okay, so now I'm going to go back here and I'm going to log out of my Google Calendar. I signed out and I'm going to sign back in. ProfitProCRM@gmail.com. Enter my password and I'm back in. So now if I click on this, I can see my SR Profit Pro. That's the name that I gave myself, so that's just my regular Google Calendar. And I see this here, my Profit Pro CRM, and here it says by the numbers. That's the name of our software before we renamed it. So just click on by the numbers, this little arrow here, and we're going to set our reminders and notifications. And we already did that, so or we already verified it. But I'm going to go through here and say, okay, I do want an email when I get an invitation to an event. I want an email, or I want a text if one of my appointments has been changed. I want a text if something has been canceled, or if I want text for all this information. And I do like an email with my daily agenda. This one, I'm going to actually switch to that. So I have text messages for all these, but I do get a daily email for my schedule. Okay. And then reminders here, it says event reminders, add a reminder. Let's go like this, pop up. I want to pop up 30 minutes before. I don't know why it did this again, because we already did this. And I want an email 30 minutes before. And I want a text message 10 minutes before each event. Okay, so now I'm just going to save this. And then I'm going to go back here and I want to just display that calendar. That's the one that I want. See how this is synced through with the other appointments that I had on my other calendar. That will sync through and show me what was on my Profit Pro CRM. Okay, so then here, just write Profit Pro CRM, and then type in whatever city you are. Type in Phoenix, Arizona, and then the time zone. Okay, so that it syncs appropriately with your phone too. Automatically leave all of these things the same, and then just click Save down here. So now it renamed the name of my calendar, Profit Pro CRM. Okay, so now if you have followed the steps to sync this through to your phone, then this information should be already on your phone. So once you've done this one time, you usually won't be logging into your calendar right here in Google. You'll just be going back and forth. Your appointments will go back and forth between your Profit Pro CRM and your phones. It's a one-time setup unless you switch phones or switch devices. All right, hope this helps.